Pat here from the Beard Speaks podcast, and today I got the Brio Beardscape. Man, I've been waiting to open this box up, just haven't had the time, but today we're going to check out. Let's see what's inside this. We just got this the other day, and I'm excited to get this thing open. So let's see, what do we got in the box? There we go, the Brio Beardscape. Looks pretty cool. There you go, 10% off your next order. Cutting length, nice. Now let's get to the actual guy here. Oh, that's nice. Gotta do everything one-handed. I'm a one-man team here. Go back. Nice. So that's it, guys. What else comes in this box? Oh, there we go. Got your charger and accessories. Very nice. Probably some lube. Let's open this guy up. Yeah, there we go. Cool. So I'm excited to try this thing out. Gonna get a good review, and I'm gonna use it for probably about a week. Let's get a good review on it, see how it works, and I will. Look at that thing's nice, huh? And I'll come back with my full review on the Brio Beardscape. It's cool. All right, guys.